nala
Lisedi.
ikokone ebomvana ejame ngaphansi kwentabazwe intaba engcwele intaba enesiphambano zingunge zonke inyoni zezulu ngoba iyangungwa ngamabhubesi ayinuka ayishiya yangungwa izingwe ezingabalabala zayinuka ayishiya yangungwa izimpisi zayinuka zayishiya umphonsi wethambo zileqa zonke izinja ngoba siyeleqa ezamabhunu yayileqa ezigaramaphosa yayileqa ezikamantashe yayileqa ezigambalula isibhame saqhuma kabi kwelesetesitata ngoba
Mahula
eBloemfontein yini lengizwa yesitata amagama indawo sasekwathi hayi lekamloyi liyeza liyanyelela mkhulu eBloemfontein amagama intanyeze zezulu sathi sibonane kwathi hayi sibona abatohwa livukile namhlanje elikamloyi inkanyezi zonke zezulu zakhuza zonke uamen zathi bula ayine
Bula.
siyabonga ngonyaka siyabonga ubaba umdluli inyosi yengonyama yabahuluku bula ayine
Bula.
nala
Khanya.
lisedi
Khanya.
phuthi
Yaruna.
inkunzi emdwayidwa kahle kahle zinthinta ngapha nangapha inkunzi enyakazisa iBloemfontein wathi nyakazile iBloemfontein kwayonyakaza iPretoria wathi nyakazile iPretoria kwanyakaza iSouth Africa yonke ngikhuluma lapha ngenkunzi malanga okuyiyona engamele abahulukwe ithoritori enkulu ephethe umhlaba olinganiselwa ku-550,000 hectares ngabe kuphi nalo mhlaba na sikhuluma ngomhlaba othatha iFree State ugijime njalo uyothatha eKZN uthathe kwaZulu Natal uthathe eBergville uthathe eEscott uthathe eLadysmith ungene eGlencoe ungene eDandi ungene eNquthu uphume njalo ukhuphuke ngamalahle uthi bawusemalahleni koDannhauser ukhe eNewcastle uphume neNewcastle uzongena eStanderton kunamadolojana amancane makhona lapho kuleyo ndawo ubheka phezulu eHidden bese uhambe uyokha igoli phakathi sigijima phakathi emahostela sikhona sigijima phakathi bese siyothi tsobho eNorthwest njoba sinaliphaka namhlanje nje iNorthwest nansi lapha bese sithi tsobho lapha eLimpopo nakhona njoba silapha nje abakhona bagijima kuyo le ndawo kunjalo sibuye lapha eFree State sifike siyongena eBethlehem singene koVelcom sigudle yona sihambe nayo eBloemfontein sihlanganise kanjalo mawuyibheka yonke ke le ndawo iyama hectares awu 550,000 hectares that particular territory is owned by abahuluku. There is the king uLetsitsa wesithathu. There is a trust under uLetsitsa wesithathu which is working with him to make sure that we do monitor everything which is touching us. Yes, challenges are there, but we are up and down in courts in Bloemfontein. Ayasivuma lengonyama abase high court imanje zayivuma zithi yiyo bathi isemthethweni bathi it is covered by the Constitution of South Africa bathi hayibusuka lengonyama ihambe yoqoqa into zayo bathi please just go out go and collect everything which is belongs to abahuluku and make sure that you come back to us with it and we can sit down and look at everything which is touching abahuluku and you. Therefore, uking esinayo namhlanje inkosi yamakhosi. Ingonyama yezingonyama. Ingonyama esiyibonayo ukuthi izophakama iphakame izigcina iphakeme kakhulu. Ingonyama qina. Namhlanje ke ingonyama yethu ivakashelwe izinyane. izinyane la le Northwest mali bevakashelene sagcobene phela ingonyama le enkulu izokwenza umsebenzi mangabe wenza umsebenzi isiveli siqalile lo msebenzi uqalela ngaphakathi la ikhona kwakhona izinto ezithize ezenzayo eziyisi. I want to tell you, this is not the fake king. This is the proper king. Who's got everything that you need. Unakho konke okudingayo. Unakho konke okudinga umthetho. Uphela nje. Ukhona la kwabuye kwathi khona kwathi ekutheni agijime phambili hamba neGNU. Ngayithandanga. Kodwa iking ephelele itifeti khona yonke into ikhona yonke iphepha ongalicabanga. If you want to contact the United Kingdom, if you want to contact the United Nations, if you want to contact Africa, iPACTA, this king is respected by Amakosi Alapaya uPACTA. He is covered there. He always attend meetings in Africa. And even this month, on the 20-something, he is going to Nigeria to represent South Africa, to also represent Abahuluku. He is our king. Sithike unzemdwayidwa ekhona ke namhlanje eqhamuke Northwest. You are welcome. You are welcome.
Khoshi be wanga jeno ke khoshi tsayane thebe le tlogile o tswa Northwest motseng wa Khanyisa ke a boka
Halala Nkosi yase Northwest halala halala Nkosi yethu halala You are welcome Nkosi yethu you are welcome halala Nkosi yethu shine Today he is the Inkosi of Northwest. He is representing Batlokwa. And he is also representing Abahulukwe. Shine Batlokwa shine. Shine Batlokwa shine. Shine Abahulukwe shine. Alala Abahulukwe